Hi everyone, this is Miguel Lopez, the Racket Club Manager here in Punta, Mita. In today's tip, we're going to talk about the importance of hitting slice or backspin in padel versus trying to hit topspin. A lot of our players here at the club are tennis players trying to play this sport, and they are doing some topspin in those shots. We're going to try to explain you one of the main reasons why you don't want to do that and give you some options.
Here you can see a topspin motion, like in tennis. A lot of tennis players try to transfer what they do on the tennis court to the paddle courts, but we don't really want to do that. When hitting topspin, you're giving your opponent the chance to hit an easier shot. The ball is gonna bounce off the wall and it's gonna sit up a little bit too high, which makes it easier for them. Now you can see a slice swing, backspin. That's what we are looking for when playing in paddle, and we will explain you why is that in a second. In the next few shots you can see when hitting backspin or slice, the ball stays very low, which makes it way more difficult for your opponent to hit an easy shot. So hitting the slice or the backspin ends up being a way more offensive shot than hitting with topspin. As you could see in this video, for this tip, it was way easier for Jorge to hit those shots when I was hitting with topspin, because the ball was popping up and it was in a much easier height for him to hit it back and to do more with those shots. He had more options to hit those shots. But when I was hitting backspin or slice, the ball was staying very low, which made it more difficult for him.
Yeah, it was more harder because the ball didn't bounce. So
it was very low, so it was much more difficult for him. So go out there to the paddle courts, try to hit more backspin, and try not to hit too much topspin. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss our next tips.